Look at this. This is the traditional inverter charger. Inverter charger. I have the batteries here and I feed this inverter charger with DC power coming from the battery bank. Here in the output, you have AC in and AC out, you see? AC in and AC out. Okay. Pay attention. The AC out is AC current produced for this inverter when the inverter is inverting and goes directly into the AC panel through the switch selector. That's okay? All right. When this inverter is not inverting, is not converting DC into AC, this element allows that the AC in enter, activate the battery charger and recharge the battery back. That's the traditional. Good?
Good.
Okay. Now the new one. The new one, they have AC in, hot, neutral and ground, AC out, hot, neutral and ground. You see, guys? AC in and AC out. Where is coming the AC in? Hot, neutral and ground coming in. Where is coming? From shore power or generator?
Or generator, yeah.
Doesn't matter. Any of those. That's okay? All right. And where is going out that AC power?
Panel.
AC panel.
To the AC panel. Ah, okay. Pay attention. In this moment, I don't have shore power. It's connected and the generator is off. What happened with this? The AC panel always have power.
From the battery.
This one is inverting and immediately the light inverting is on.
The battery works.
And suction power from the batteries and convert in AC and send to the AC panel. Suddenly, the generator start. The generator start. This element goes here, allow the current from the generator, and the AC power is entering here in. Pay attention. The level of the battery bank is not full. AC power is entering here from a generator or shore power. The battery charger internally continue charging the batteries and additionally allow that some current pass to the AC panel. I have both functions. It's charging and is feeding the AC panel. When the battery is fully charged, stop charging and only continue providing power to the AC panel.
The
no
generator stops.
inverting. This is the grain difference. No, it's a big difference. Allow that one portion of current goes directly into the AC panel and invert at the same time. This one no. When this one is inverting, it's inverting. When it's off,
Sure.
start the battery charger and charge the battery bank. Good, papas? Okay, let's go over there and I show some. Look at this. In this moment, what happened with this, papas? Can you show with the camera? What happened with the inverter is
Charging.
in the mode charging. Because the shore power is connected. Shore power is entering here. Look at this. This element select power. You see? Shore power. Power. Because the power is entering here. If I disconnect the shore power and the generator start, this element pass over there and allow the current from the generator. Look, that's the generator power. That's clear, guys? Okay. Pay attention. In this moment, I have current entering from shore power. The current is going out, and the current is feeding, is going out because the out of this is in the back. You see, the input of the generator is here, and in the back there are other connectors to feed the inverter. Okay, and those are the hot, neutral, and ground coming in always from the automatic transfer switch. Doesn't matter if it's from here or here. That's okay? This is the power coming in. And this element always allow that the current pass to the AC panel. I have AC panel. Look at the on. Look at the light. Air condition. Lights. AC power. I have AC power. But that power is going directly
From shore power.
from shore power. It's not inverting. It's not inverting. It's passing directly from the shore power. That's clear? Okay, good, no?
Yes.
Right.
Pay attention. I am going to, I have power in my AC panel, no? I am going to disconnect suddenly the shore power, please. Oh, okay. And now it's inverting. I start, I allow that the DC current enter in the positive and negative bus bar. I allow that the DC current enter here. And now it's inverting and I have AC power. The AC power is coming from?
Right now from the battery.
From the batteries because it's inverting. And I have AC power once again. I have air condition, I have lights, I have everything, no? Good?
So right
Okay.
now we connect with the shore power, the battery.
Connect the shore power.
And it just does it?
Okay, continue inverting. Why?
Charges up.
Because the battery bank is a little low. One portion of the current entering is
Charging.
charging and the other one?
Go to the AC panel.
Okay, look,
Oh, no.
in this moment, pass to charge. It's charging, however I have lights. Why? It's not inverting. Where is coming that AC power? From the shore power directly. It's not inverting. It's only in the mode charging. It's connected to the shore power. Some current pass directly here, and other one activate the battery charger and charge the system. In what moment that light will be off?
Finish full.
When the batteries recover the level, stop, and what happened?
Doesn't start burning.
They stop working and they'll just use the battery from the shore power.
If the shore power continue connected, the shore power provides always.
Yeah.
If I disconnect that one in this moment, disconnect the shore power, please. Disconnect the shore
Yeah.
power. Yeah, you disconnect. And look at this. You feel that the lights goes off?
Nope.
No. And now it's inverting. Was automatic. I don't feel nothing. The system is not receiving external power from generator or shore power. The system is inverting. Look at this. It's suctioning power from the batteries and entering in the inverter, and the inverter provides power for the loads. Look at this. In this moment, I only have the lights, 90 watts. I'm going to turn on the air condition. And now, 307. Yeah, you see?
Yeah.
More power. In this moment, I am inverting, converting DC into AC. My AC panel is provided always from here, and is powered from the batteries, converted into AC and passing to the AC panel. And no shore power. Can I connect the shore power again? The system will be affected?
No. No.
Look at this. I don't have power here. And now, receive power here. The system continue inverting. Continue inverting. The AC power enter, but suddenly will change. In this moment, now it's charging. Now it's charging, you see? However, from the shore power, I am receiving 1200 or 1500 watts from shore power. But the system in this moment is charging. What is the meaning of that? And I have AC power. All the power from the shore power pass directly into
AC panel.
the panel. You enjoy that? It's clear, my friends? This is magic, no? If I have a sailboat, I have a catamaran, I can live here. What happened in this moment, my friend? In this moment, I don't have sun. But if the sun is good, the solar panel pass over there here, enter in the MPPT, and the MPPT enter in the big positive bus bar and big negative bus bar, and charge the battery bank. I'm going to explain later. This is the function of the MPPT. The MPPT receive power from solar panels and regulate the power and send the power regulated here into the positive and negative bus bar. Positive bus bar and negative bus bar. And this positive and negative bus bar are connected with the batteries, and the batteries will be charged. In this moment, it's charging, but I have AC power because I have
Shore power.
shore power.
So you can stay out indefinitely in the water as long as you have gas for your diesel generator, right? 'Cause
Correct.
When you go low, the diesel generator kicks in.
If I am in the water,
All the
in the
time.
middle of the ocean, I don't have shore power.
Of course.
However, that process will be with this, with the generator. Because here I have a connection with this relay, and this relay is connected with the with the start relay of the generator, and start the generator automatically because I entered in the display and I did the programmation. I said, when the level of charge decreased 25%, please send the signal here with this relay and start the generator. When the level of charge passed 98%, turn off the generator, and that's it. I start and stop the generator, and this one allows that the power enter from generator, and goes directly into the panel. Good or not?
Great.
Great. Good.
Now the fan here internally was activated, but the system continued in a charging mode. Disconnect the power. And now pass immediately to inverting from batteries into power. And I have the administration here in the display.